Our fifth graders are playing dice bonk today, working on throwing for accuracy at a target. They are trying to throw at the pin and knock it over. What number did it land on? Plus 2 more, so they're gonna add 2 to the iPad. Oh, the Frenchies versus the babies over here. The babies are winning 7-5. All right, Owen. Oh, a knockdown. And what number is it? 2 more. This is gonna add 2 to the iPad. Kids are gonna play to 21 points. First team to 21 wins. If a team makes it to 21 and the other opposing team is within 6 points, then they have 1 more throw to try and knock it down and either beat them or tie. And once we have 2 teams that are finished, the winners will challenge each other. Teams that lost will challenge each other. Hi, girls. So we've got 6 lanes set up, playing in groups of 2. We only had 22 students, so we have 2 groups, or 1 group that just has a 1v1. So we have at the green lane here, 1 versus 1. So they can roll, they can throw overhand, underhand. It's going to be up to them. An attempt to knock it over. If they miss, then the other team will throw. We're using the iPad app called Scorekeeper XL, where students can input their name, ooh, close, and then they can add up their points. The iPad holders are from Gopher, so if you're looking for something to hold it, that's not really what they're designed for, but they fit the iPad nice, and the iPad hold stays in there pretty well. And it stays up off the floor. So we have a knockdown. What'd you get, a 2? So we're gonna add 2 more to your score. Plus 2, 9-4. The Tom Brady's versus the Hats. Let's go, Tom Brady.